Alright, usually I don't really excited about gimbal because they are like, what to excite about? It's a gimbal that you turn this on and then it stabilizes your camera. Yeah, stable. Yay. Not this one though. DJI Ronin-S. This is probably the first one get me excited. Now I think what is special about this is it is probably the most mature one. So we start from the top. Everything is really nice design. Every part of it is so cool. Obviously, it's really easy to change this bit, and this screw you can adjust the position of it. I will mention it a bit more later. This is a connection to the USB-C port of this GH5. Now this is a new design trend for a lot of gimbal, is that this motor usually up there blocking your view to the screen. Now it's down here. Not the first by DJI, but still a good move. Down here, I think this is one of the best bits. This joystick is so good that you can do fast movement and small adjustment. It's 10 times better than other drone out there. Gimbal. This is basically the same one from the drone remote control. Now when I say it looks like the same design of their DJI remote control from their drones, actually you can change this to, thank you, this is a remote from Mavic Air. You can take this off, take this away and use the long one from your Mavic Air controller. Look at that! It makes it even better. I think I love this even more. Well, of course, the bad thing is that it sticks out. But the good thing is that it sticks out. If that makes sense. Now, of course, you can change mode from this mode button. One small thing is that it got 3 LED lights here, so you can clearly see I'm in mode 3, mode 1, mode 2. Of course, you can customize these different modes. In all other gimbal, you have to remember those buttons that you press one for something, press twice for mode 2, and you have to remember all those flashing LED light in different pattern. Who have time to remember all that? Now on this side, this is a follow focus button. It's really smooth as well. It feels like those old hi-fi. For now, it only works with Panasonic GH5 and GH5S, but it works really well. Look at that arrow at the back. And then focus on the GH5, back to arrow, back to GH5. There's a trigger in front, so you can like hold the position, you can center it, put it to selfie mode, something like that. Down there, this is this handle, really solid. It feels like a power drill. Now this tripod, this little tripod is not totally new. I think I've seen this like at least over a year that somebody thought of this kind of small tripod. But this one is a really good design one because on the outside it got like a rubberized grip, rubberized bits. The grip already really good for holding it with both hands. The tripod extended, you can hold it on the tripod as well, so even more extend the length of the grip, and because it's rubberized, it's really good to hold. So you can take it off really easily, and obviously you can store this in your backpack easier than like one whole big thing. This grip feels so good. This is quite heavy. It got a battery inside, internal battery here, 12 hours of battery life, and then you charge it here with USB-C here. Well, for now we don't have much information about this Ronin-S. This is all I know about the Ronin-S because this is still just a pre-production model, and I haven't got the official app for this as well. So this is a very quick first look of this DJI Ronin-S. Now what I excited about this is not what it can do that other gimbal can't do, but the thing is it is so user-friendly, it's so easy to use, and everything, it just feels so mature. Thank you very much for watching this, and stay tuned when I have a chance to review this in detail. Look at that, you can do this as well. Well, I can do this. I mean,